Hello everybody and welcome to Shrewsbury railway station. Starting from yesterday, we see a departure of 196-108 working the 1459 Westminster railway service to Birmingham New Street. Next, we see departure of 196-001 and 003 working the 1505 Westminster railway service to Birmingham New Street. Now we see departure of 197-012 working the 1528 Transport for Rail service to Holyhead. Now we see departure of 158841 working the 1530 Transport for Rail service to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. Now we see departure of 158828 and 158835 working the 1533 Transport for Rail service to Birmingham New Street. We see departure of 197-049 working 1557 Transport for Rail service to Manchester Piccadilly. Now we see departure of 196-001 and 196-002. 196-111 working the 1559 Westminster railway service to Birmingham New Street, running 9 minutes late. And now we see departure of 196-001 and 196-002 working the 1605 Westminster railway service to Birmingham New Street, running 10 minutes late. Now we see departure of 153968 and 153325 working the 1619 Transport for Rail service to Crewe. Now we see departure of 197-01, 197-120, 197-001 working the 1625 Transport for Rail service to Holyhead, which is 26 minutes late. And now we see departure of 158-829, 158-825 working the 1625 Transport for Rail service to Birmingham New Street, running 6 minutes late as well. Thank you all for watching this video. Usually I would say you can watch the next one, but there isn't another next one because this is the first video on my channel that is not privated, I think. So you can go watch another YouTuber if you want, or go touch grass for all I care. Goodbye.